cats were coming, but it seems as if, I don't know, maybe they find something to play with. Here they come. They found me. Don't know if you can see Bud up there on the hillside. There he comes. Did you take the scenic route, kids? Huh? All right, I'm just filling up the avos here. What am I saying? Filling up the syringes. Yeah? What do you think, Reg? Good day for it? Okay, Bud. What, did you get lost? Did you get lost? Silly boy. You didn't come when I called you. I think that one of the reasons that I only do 5 or 7 trees at a time is because these boys get really bored. I mean, going for a walk is one thing, but hanging around while somebody does something really weird, I don't know, that's less obvious, I think, to them. So yeah, they're very happy now because I'm not actually working at this moment. However, boys, 2 or 3 more trees and then we can go home. Okay? Yeah, checking it out. Oh, Reg, good shot of your underbelly. Hi, what are you finding there? Interesting things. Or not. Just a vantage place. Yep. King of the orchard. You, little jealous one, we're going to come and climb a tree. Come on then, we're nearly finished. Come on then. Woohoo! It's too fast, I couldn't try. Really, Bud? What did you find? Nothing much? The battle for superiority. Yeah, you tell him, Reg. Oh, look at him pushing Reggie off. Wow. He doesn't fight fair. He's the youngest. He should respect his elders. But he does not. And that tail, let me tell you, that tail is a weapon. There's nothing soft and waggy about it. When he hits you with it, you feel it. Chased him away. Let Reginald have the perch. Really, Reg? Whoops! Sorry. Come on, cats. Come on. We have to go now. Come on. Buddy. Come on, disobedient cat. Come on, we're going home. Good boy. Come along. Come on, leopard. It's a good boy. Come on. You're going to lead, hey? You're going to take us home? Okay. Nope, little pause. No pausing for you, Reg. You're ready for some water, are you? Okay.